Find your model number, search it online, and check the specs for the chipset, MediaTek or Unisoc. Your FRP bypass method depends on this. MTK phones need SB flash tool or MTK tools. Unisoc uses SPOD research or upgrade tools. Unknown chipset, use an automated detection tool. Way 1. BypassFRP on BLU via Google account recovery. Turn on your BLU and connect to Wi-Fi until the Google verification screen appears. On another device, go to Google account recovery, verify your email, set the password, then sign in on the BLU phone. FRP is removed. Way 2. BypassFRP on BLU phone via TalkBack Android 11.16. Turn on BLU, connect Wi-Fi, hold vol up, plus down, enable TalkBack. Draw L voice command, open Google Assistant YouTube settings. About privacy policy, sign in new Google account, restart FRP gone. Way 3. BypassFRP lock on BLU using emergency call. On welcome screen tap emergency call, emergency info, edit profile picture. 3-line menu, long press Google Photos or Drive app info permissions. Search settings, open settings, add new Google account, restart FRP removed. Way 4. Remove Google FRP on BLU phone with SIM card. Insert SIM power on, call the number from another phone, answer. Create new contact, enter info, save to Google, sign in or add new account. Hang up, restart FRP gone. Way 5. Bypass Google FRP lock on BLU via TFT unlock tool. Install TFT unlock tool plus USB drivers, connect BLU via USB, select brand or chipset. Choose FRP bypass, follow prompts for ADB or fast boot mode, start, wait. Disconnect and reboot, FRP removed. Way 6. BypassFRP on BLU without the highest success rate. Windows PC with Android lock wiper. USB connection to BLU. Select correct model or Android version. FRP removal may reset device and erase data. User manual. Start by downloading and installing the phone unlocking software on your computer. Once installed, select Remove Google Lock FRP and choose Advanced Mode. Connect your BLU device to the computer using a USB cable. Then click the Start button to begin removing the Google Lock. Follow the prompts to enter your device information, then click Next. Follow on-screen instructions, select DIA or country or carrier download. Start to extract, put BLU in download mode. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlock, extract firmware, program unlocks FRP.